This one just came in. Stunning car. It's a 1966 Buick Riviera. Absolutely beautiful. Let me flip them headlights up. You just gotta see the grill on this car is just amazing. Sinister looking. Look at that. Is that outrageous? Hideaway headlights. Last year the 425 nail head motor. She runs and drives great. All rebuilt motor, rebuilt turbo 400 transmission. Laser straight, all the lines are beautiful. It's finished in a midnight metallic blue, almost look black in most lights. Listen to that 425 car. She runs down the road great, vintage AC and heat, so everything works. Power windows, tilt wheel, camel colored leather interior, bucket seats, center console, everything you want in a beautiful Buick Riviera here. Dubbed the gentleman's muscle car for good reason. She gets up and goes, and she's all luxury. What a beautiful car. Check us out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.